Dear students, today we will discuss on histology of tongue. You know that tongue is a muscular organ, so structurally most of the part of it is muscle. We call it skeletal muscle. Histologically, tongue is composed of mucosa and muscularis. Mucosa is subdivided into lining epithelium and lamina propria. Lining epithelium of tongue is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Mucosa of tongue form different types of projections. Some projections are like canine teeth, that means they are very sharp, and some projections are like molar teeth, that is, they are blunt. There are 4 types of papilla present in tongue. Most common is filiform papilla, then fungiform papilla, foliate papilla, and circumvallate papilla. Another important structure of the tongue is taste buds, which are responsible for taste sensation of the tongue. Taste buds are rounded or oval structures present mainly in the circumvallate papilla, foliate papilla, soft palate, and epiglottis. The structure of taste buds includes 4 types of cells. Most outer cells are sheath cell, then supporting cells, receptor cells, basal cells, and a gustatory pore. Lamina propria is a thin layer of loose connective tissue. Skeletal muscle of tongue is arranged in longitudinally, transversely, and obliquely. It is will be easy for you to write down what I tell you. So I repeat again the structure of tongue. Histologically, tongue is composed of mucosa and muscularis. Mucosa is subdivided into lining epithelium and lamina propria. Lining epithelium of tongue forms different types of projections. Some projections are like canine teeth, that means they are very sharp, and some projections are blunt like molar teeth. There are 4 types of papilla present in tongue. Their most common is filiform papilla, then fungiform papilla, foliate papilla, and circumhallate papilla. Another important structure of the tongue is taste buds. Taste buds are rounded or oval structures responsible for taste sensation of the tongue. Taste buds are mainly present in circumhallate papilla, foliate papilla, epiglottis, and leaf-like folds of mucosa, and also in the soft palate. Taste buds is composed of 4 types of cells, which are most outer supporting cell, then supporting cell, then sheath cells, receptor cells, basal cells, and a gustatory pore. Lamina propria is a thin layer of loose connective tissue. Muscularis of tongue is composed of skeletal muscle. These skeletal muscles are arranged longitudinally